Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add music to your Facebook profile. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Facebook profile. Once you're there, you click on these three dots. After which you click on what? Edit. Once you get there, you scroll down and you click on edit your about info. Once you get there, you simply need to scroll down. After that, you are going to see add music. Click on it. Once you're there, you simply click on this plus icon. After which, you simply need to choose the sound in which you want, or you can simply search for the sound here like this. You can search for it. So after choosing the sound, let's say we want this, and you can choose as many sounds as possible. Once you're done with that, you simply need to go back. So guys, these are the various sounds we are just adding on our Facebook profile. As you can see, let me show you guys. These are the sounds here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.